Hi there! In this video, I'll show you my speed paints of the pepper character that you've seen in the previous lesson. I decided that this character will be the PE teacher, and I chose a pepper because of its square-like structure. That made me think of designing an athletic character. So once again, I wanted to reproduce a common stereotype, which in this case will be the strict teacher. His expressiveness will be highlighted by an overt masculinity and also by some extra elements, such as a whistle or some kind of different footwear, which I think are very characteristic of this character and help to identify it. And also it helps me to represent him as a PE teacher. As I told you before, the structure has a rectangular shape, and I highlighted the features with the help of the pepper's voluptuousness. That's why I used some parts as the forehead or the chin. Taking advantage of these bumps on the pepper, I'm able to make these features stand out. Well, please watch the rest of the video, and I hope that you like it, and the next one will be similar. I will show you how I did the last teacher before starting with the inking process. Guys, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.